So it says Nathan went to his cabinet in his house and created the chart below. So we had sugar, but for 32 cookies, macadamia nuts, 24 cookies, peanut butter, 14 cookies, and chocolate chip, 36 cookies. So I want the ratio of chocolate chips to peanut butter cookies that are in the cabinet. Okay? So chocolate chip, 36, to how many peanut butter there are? 14. In 3 different ways. So there's one way, 36 colon 14, 36 over 14. And now I want my ratio comparison statement. So for every 36 chocolate chip cookies, there are 14 peanut butter cookies. Okay? The next one, and it's okay that it went out of the box. I can still read it. The next question for the same chart says, write a ratio of sugar cookies to all ingredients, all our cookies. Okay, so that means on my piece of paper, I'm going to write 32 plus 24 plus 14 plus 6. So I have 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So I put up the 6, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So I get my answer of 106 for my total. So for sugar, it's 32 to 106. 32 colon 106. 32 over 106. And then I have to say for every 32 sugar cookies, there are 106 total cookies. That's all you had to do for today.